Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and remove tags in bulk on Shopify. Managing product tags in bulk can significantly streamline your inventory management and improve the way your products are organized on your Shopify store. Tags are essential for organizing your products into categories, making them easier for your customers to search and filter. Whether you need to categorize your products more effectively or quickly remove outdated tags, doing this in bulk saves time and reduces errors. This is especially helpful as your store grows, allowing you to keep everything organized with minimal effort. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Once there, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a list of options. Go ahead and click on Products. This will open up a comprehensive view of all the products currently available in your store. This is where you can see your entire inventory and make bulk updates to your product details. Once you're viewing your products, it's time to select the ones you want to edit. You'll notice checkboxes next to each product on the list. Click on the checkboxes corresponding to the products you wish to include in this bulk edit. Selecting multiple products this way is key to expediting the tagging process and allows you to manage your inventory quickly, especially when dealing with seasonal changes or updates to product categories. With your products selected, direct your attention to the top of the list. You'll see an option labeled Bulk Edit. Click on it, and you'll be seamlessly taken to the bulk editor. The bulk editor interface is designed to make mass changes as simple as possible. Here, you'll find a user-friendly interface that resembles a spreadsheet table. Each product's properties are neatly separated into columns, offering a familiar layout for easy editing. You'll see key details for each product, such as title, price, SKU, and tags, all organized in columns, making it easy to navigate through and update. Our next step is crucial. We need to make sure the tags column is visible. So look toward the top right corner of the bulk editor. There, you'll find a button labeled Columns. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the available columns that can be displayed. You can choose to add or remove columns, depending on what details you need to edit. Make sure to enable Tags by checking the corresponding box. This inclusion will now make the Tags column available for editing alongside the rest of the product details. Having tags visible in the bulk editor allows you to quickly update, add, or remove tags in bulk, making the process much more efficient than manually editing each product individually. Now that the tags column is visible, let's proceed to edit the tags. You simply click on the cell within the tags column that corresponds to each product. This interactive editing allows you to add new tags or easily remove existing ones. For example, if you're introducing a new product category or running a sale, you can quickly add relevant tags to multiple products at once. This flexibility makes updating your product tags effortless, ensuring they accurately reflect the categories or identifiers you wish to maintain. You can also remove outdated or irrelevant tags that no longer apply, keeping your store's organization up to date. Additionally, using descriptive, relevant tags can improve your store's search functionality, allowing customers to easily find related products. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your product tags in bulk on Shopify. This method not only improves the organization of your products, but also enhances the overall user experience on your store by making products easier to find and filter. For example, when you add tags like sale, new arrivals, or bestsellers, your customers will be able to quickly browse through your store and find exactly what they're looking for, which can lead to higher conversion rates. This process is as simple as it is effective, providing you with more time to focus on growing other aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer service. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Managing your product tags in bulk is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and keep your store running smoothly. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. I'm happy to help. Happy tagging on Shopify!